Hello, thank you for coming today. We're going to do some glitter ornaments. This is the container that I use, the clear disc, and they come from Michaels. Michaels had a 40% off sale, but these are from last year. I had bought a whole bunch of them when they was on clearance, but they really $19.99, and it's 25 in this pack. So I had bought about 15 packs last year at the end of the Christmas sale. I usually go through a whole lot of them, but these are the ones we're doing today. I got like an order for like 40 of them, so I got one started sitting over here that's dripping, so we're going to do that one in a minute. So this is the poly, this is what we put inside of it, polyacrylic, but I have it inside this little jar, this little container, and there's something inside this one like that. So you just squeeze it in there like that. You don't need that much, because all you gotta do is you just coating the inside of the ornament just so the glitter could stick to the ball. So in the last video you seen that I did the makeup jars, and I'll show those again in 1 second. So when I coat this one and put that one down and put this one down, I'll show you the jars that I got drying and the decals that go in that later on tonight. So I'll show you. I'm gonna put it inside this cup right here that I'm gonna have it dripping in, and it's gonna drip in there like that, and I'm just gonna set it to the side. So while those are dripping, those cups came from Giants, and I thought it was $2.50 in there, but it's $150 in there for like $2. But here are the makeup jars that I did. See, that's pretty. Got the shimmery. There, you can see it now. And here's the blue, the green, and the red. Those would get decals on there later on tonight. So while those two I got over here is dripping, so the first one we're going to do is red, and I got the red here. And I usually do for the ornaments, I usually like rip off a little piece like this and just make a little funnel, just enough to stick into the ornament, so I can just pour the glitter in. And then when I dump the glitter out of the ornament, I'll just dump it on this paper right here. So we're going to start with the red. So for this ornament, it's dripping. It's already dripped. So now we got it in there. And I'll just shake it around. Like so. So then it's dripped. It done went all over the ornament. I just tapped the ornament to get the excess glitter out, and here go the ornament. So that one is done, and I will dump this back in there like that. The second one, I'm going to do green, and that's this right here. That same funnel, with that same piece of paper that I created the funnel with, we're going to use again, like that. I'll just stick that in there like that. Open up the green glitter. Pour it in like so. I just take my finger and shake it all around. And there it goes. And I just dump it out. Tap on both sides of the ornament, and the ornament is done. So that'll dry. I'll put the decal on that in a couple hours, and then it can dry overnight. Like, that's no big deal. Wait, I wouldn't either one of them is a big deal, but I'll let those. I can put the decal on the other one as well. I just gotta seal the inside of the makeup jars. So those are the two that I got for y'all today. with these. I'm only going to do these two on camera, and that's the red one and the green one. If you have any questions later on, I'll put the decal on there. But if you have any questions on the ornaments, just leave them below and I'll answer them. If you need me to do another video with something else, let me know. This is what I use, polyacrylic, and I just had it inside of this little bottle that I got from the Dollar Tree, and it came in 2 in a pack. I usually use the medicine dropper, but I didn't have any more right here. I use the medicine droppers. However, they're stuck. They get stuck after a while. I usually clean them, but it's stuck. That's why I usually use to squeeze inside the ornament. And I usually get these from the pharmacy, but you see how the black piece got stuck in there, so it's no good anymore. But the pharmacy, they can't give you anymore. But so I got these. I know you can buy them online on Amazon, but so I just bought this right here and just squeeze it inside the bottle like that, and it's fine. Thank you. Bye.